Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Natural remedies backed by science. Tired of those agonizing leg cramps that strike in the middle of the night? You're not alone. Leg cramps are a common problem for seniors. But the good news is that simple dietary changes can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the top 3 food groups that can help you say goodbye to those painful cramps. Leg cramps are a frequent and unwelcome guest in the lives of many seniors. These sudden, involuntary muscle contractions can cause intense pain and disrupt sleep. Nocturnal leg cramps, those that occur at night, are particularly prevalent and can significantly impact quality of life. Imagine finally drifting off to sleep, only to be jolted awake by a searing pain in your calf. Various factors can contribute to leg cramps, including dehydration, muscle fatigue, and certain medical conditions. However, dietary deficiencies often play a significant role. Making strategic dietary adjustments can be a powerful tool in preventing and managing leg cramps. By focusing on key nutrients, you can support healthy muscle function and reduce your risk. In this video, we'll explore 3 key food groups that are scientifically proven to help prevent leg cramps in seniors. Get ready to learn how to eat your way to cramp-free comfort. Potassium is a crucial electrolyte that plays a vital role in muscle function. It helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Potassium is also essential for proper nerve transmission, allowing your brain to communicate effectively with your muscles. This communication is critical for coordinated movement and preventing involuntary contractions. Low potassium levels can disrupt these essential muscle and nerve processes. This disruption can lead to increased muscle excitability and a higher risk of cramps. This disruption ultimately leads to those painful muscle spasms and cramps that can keep you up at night. Maintaining adequate potassium levels is key to keeping your muscles happy and relaxed. Seniors are particularly susceptible to potassium deficiencies due to a variety of factors. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to ensure you're getting enough potassium in your diet. Age-related changes in kidney function can contribute to potassium deficiencies. As we age, our kidneys may become less efficient at regulating potassium levels in the body. Medication use, especially diuretics, water pills, can also lead to potassium deficiencies. These medications can increase potassium excretion, depleting the body's stores. Consuming potassium-rich foods helps maintain healthy potassium levels in the body. This is a natural and effective way to support muscle function and prevent cramps. Maintaining healthy potassium levels is a proactive step you can take to prevent those unwanted cramps. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help keep your muscles relaxed and functioning properly. Examples: bananas are a readily available and easily digestible source of potassium. They're a convenient and tasty way to boost your potassium intake. Studies have linked banana intake to a reduced incidence of leg cramping. So, grab a banana as a quick and healthy snack to help keep those cramps at bay. Sweet potatoes offer a sustained release of potassium, providing a longer-lasting benefit. They're a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Sweet potatoes are also packed with other essential nutrients, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They're a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are also excellent sources of potassium. These nutrient-rich greens offer a wide range of health benefits. Leafy greens provide not only potassium, but also magnesium, another essential mineral for muscle function. They're a great way to support overall health and prevent cramps. Magnesium is another essential mineral that plays a critical role in muscle relaxation. It helps regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms. Magnesium is also essential for proper nerve function, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted smoothly and efficiently. This is crucial for coordinated muscle movement and preventing involuntary contractions. Magnesium deficiency can lead to increased muscle excitability, making muscles more prone to cramping. When magnesium levels are low, muscles can become overly sensitive and easily triggered. Magnesium deficiency, therefore, increases your susceptibility to those painful and disruptive leg cramps. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake is key to keeping your muscles relaxed and functioning properly. Seniors are also at a higher risk of magnesium deficiency due to several factors. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to ensure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet. Decreased absorption of magnesium in the gut can contribute to deficiency. As we age, our digestive system may become less efficient at absorbing nutrients, including magnesium. Increased excretion of magnesium through the kidneys can also lead to deficiency. Certain medications and medical conditions can increase magnesium loss. Examples: dark chocolate, in moderation, is a surprisingly good source of magnesium. Choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content for the most benefit. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, are also beneficial sources of magnesium. They're a healthy and convenient snack option. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa are good sources of magnesium and other essential nutrients. They're a great addition to a balanced diet. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to reduce cramp frequency in some individuals. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Magnesium supplementation can also reduce cramp intensity, making them less painful and disruptive. Talk to your doctor to see if magnesium supplementation is right for you. Dietary sources of magnesium are generally preferred for long-term maintenance. Focusing on magnesium-rich foods is a sustainable and healthy way to support muscle function. Calcium is crucial for muscle contraction, playing a vital role in the process of muscle activation and movement. It helps trigger the release of proteins that cause muscles to contract. Calcium is also crucial for nerve signaling, ensuring that nerve impulses are transmitted effectively to muscles. This communication is essential for coordinated muscle movement and preventing spasms. Adequate calcium intake helps prevent muscle spasms and cramps by ensuring that muscles can contract and relax properly. Maintaining healthy calcium levels is key to muscle health. Examples: dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. They're a convenient and readily available way to boost your calcium intake. Choose low-fat dairy options to reduce your intake of saturated fat. This is a healthier choice for overall cardiovascular health. Fortified plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, are good alternatives for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options. Make sure they are fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Leafy green vegetables like collard greens and kale are also beneficial sources of calcium. They offer a wide range of health benefits in addition to calcium. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, helping your body utilize the calcium you consume. Without adequate vitamin D, your body may not be able to absorb calcium effectively. Ensure adequate vitamin D intake through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplementation. Talk to your doctor about the best way to meet your vitamin D needs. Incorporating these food groups into your diet can be a powerful way to prevent leg cramps and improve your overall quality of life. By focusing on potassium, magnesium, and calcium, you can support healthy muscle function and reduce your risk of cramps. Dietary adjustments are a natural and effective approach to managing leg cramps. They offer a sustainable and healthy way to support muscle health and prevent those unwanted spasms. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dietary changes and supplementation. They can help you determine the best approach for your individual needs.